Feeder address settings. Press 1, up. Press 2, down. Press 3, enter. Hold down enter for 5 seconds to enter setup mode. Add mode address, state mode step. Select add mode and press enter. The setting address value is from 1 to 99. The feeder addresses must be different. Hold enter for 5 seconds to exit. Set the step parameter. Hold enter to enter settings. Select seat mode. Step value 2 mm, 4 mm, 8 mm, 12 mm, 6 mm, 24 mm. UP key. Press once to always move 2 mm. Press and hold to operate continuously. Down key. Press will operate according to the step you have set.